Hey guys, welcome to the first ever episode of Nature Highlights. In today's episode, we're gonna be discussing about Thailand sign, or known as Tasmanian tiger. I'm your host Daryl, and let's see this obscure animal. So, the Tasmanian tiger is an extinct creature. Thailand sign is an extinct marsupial that is native to Australia in the islands of Tasmania and New Guinea. In case you didn't know, marsupial is a class for mammals that are known for red kangaroo, super glider, wombat, and numbat, and it was an inferior class of mammals. The last known Tasmanian captured on footage was in 1830. The creature mass in about 30 kilograms when they are an adult. But before we end things off, let's discuss what happened to them, why they went extinct, and rumors of them still existing now. So some people have been seeing the Tasmanian tiger and some footage shown them, but they are not convinced by scientists and there are no really proof of that other than the footage we have. But why they went extinct is unknown, except that maybe humans hunt them down because they eat our food and stuff. But it could also be because dingoes are their enemies, rifle, and they hunt for food. They are rifles, and maybe that's why they went extinct. So hope you enjoy this episode, this new show, and hope you guys enjoy it and enjoy this show. This show is about every episode I highlight a different obscure animal. Leave in a comment if you have recommendation for what animal, and goodbye.